Hello everyone, today we'll be doing a couple of cosmetic upgrades to our 2023 BRZ. Last month we installed the HKS high power single exit cap back on the BRZ. It's a great sounding exhaust, but we were tired of the ugly hole where the stock exhaust tip was. The other issue is the HKS sits very close to the bumper with the stock exhaust hangers. There is barely any clearance, which could cause rubbing or melt the bumper. We will be installing two products to try to fix these issues today. The Cartboy 12mm XL exhaust hangers are 3/4 of an inch longer than the stock hangers. This should let the exhaust tip sit at a better position. The Virus is a 3D printed plastic cover to cover the hole left when installing single exit exhaust on the BRZ and GR86. Although it's pricey for what it is, it's less expensive than the JDM options, like the $150 Powercraft or the $300 Pexi covers. To install the cover, first align it with the bumper. There are 3 metal clips included with the cover. Push in the 3 clips to attach the cover to the back of the bumper. We used an exhaust hanger tool and some silicone spray to remove the stock exhaust hangers and install the Cartboy long hangers. We think the bumper and exhaust tip look way better now. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.